Hello, hello. Livia, what you are learning in school now? Oh, identities.
嗯。
Okay. Yeah, we double check in the whole trig what we learn. Okay. That's from school test 7 years ago. Okay. Boat travel. I think this is about the bearing. Everybody try number one. 8 marks. It's a pretty big question. Okay. Sketch the graph and take picture sent to me. Sketch the diagram and take a picture sent to me. A boat traveled from position P across 215 to a position Q. At P, this is P. The bearing of L, the bearing always rotate from north on 138 degree. That would be L. Q is 81 degree. Also from P on Q. Oh, no. At Q it was. That means Q is here. And this one, 81 degree. P to Q. This angle, 215 degree. Check out if you got the same diagram. If you got the diagram, try to solve it. From P to Q, 8.72 km. PQL. Ask you what's here. And what's here? What's here? Okay, try, huh? Probably you need the sine rule or cosine rule, huh? Okay. Who got the answer? You actually got some values. Cool. Yeah, in IB, normally we use 3 and 7. So we have a triangle here. This is 77 degree. 8.72. And this side 1, 4, 5, 35. 46. Olivia, you understand 46? Why we got 46?
No.
Oh, we do it step by step then. The first step, you need to calculate this one. Second step, calculate this side. The third step, calculate this one. Number 4 here. Both not here, not here.
Oh, is it because they're parallel lines?
Yes, they're parallel.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So that's why, number 1, the working on. If you finish, you check other part, check other part for other questions. Number 1 just equals 215 minus 138. Number 2 just equals 360 minus 215. Number 3 just equals 180 minus number 2. Number 4 just equals 81 minus number 3. Okay, If you got the angles, next part. Guys, if you finish this one, check other questions. 77. 46, 8.72. You just use sine rule. Actually got some answer. I'll just copy down here. If you guys got different, just tell me. PL equals 23.0 km. QL equals 22.7 km. Guys, if you got different, tell me. Now, second one. Okay. Okay, then we try one. We try one on. This angle is, there is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so 57. So sine 57, 8.72. X over sine 46. Oh, this is just 8 something km. You cannot have 20s. Andrew, what's your answer?
没算出来。
What? PL. Guys, who got the answer? Dylan, what's your answer?
PL equals 7.48.
7.48 km. Okay. Good. Good, Dylan. 10.1. .48. Angle PQL 77. That's number 1, Guys, you need to message me Okay. Okay, now same answer, correct. Okay, part 2. Part 2. Yep. Sunlight of Auckland. Okay. Try to find this part about trig modeling. Trig modeling. Right. Number 2. Minimum value. Who remember how we got A on?
然后最
It's
大
like a,
大值减最小值除以2。
yes, max minus minimum divided by 2. D.
最大加最小除以2。
Good. B.
2派除以周期。
Period.
C 不是那个 C 怎么求啊？挺麻
C
烦。
equals for sine for sine for sine. This sine x plus c in the question x plus c. That means the curve moved to the left by c. Okay, move to the left by c. For example, if here is 2, here will be -2. Move to the left by c. So we just need to check what's this value here. What's here? The longest day.
然后我们上课老师也没讲明白这个 C 怎么求。
This is C. Normally, for our formula, we say sine x minus c, for example. This C equals the x value of maximum minus quarter period. Okay, x value of maximum, because the x value of maximum is right here. X value of maximum. The whole thing is called a period. So here, just a quarter period. So you just use max minus a quarter of the period.
然后用题目给的那个12月21号的。
Yeah, we have to try that one. The question not very clear. The question not very clear. They didn't mention what's the meaning of x. They forgot to say that. Looks like x is equal 0 means the first day or something. X equals 1, just the first day. Okay, we just pretend if x equals 1 is the first day. So this 21. Oh, that will be the
55
how many day? Minus 10. So 355, right? 355. So for the longest one, x equals 355. Hey, do we have the period?
period 2派除以365。
Okay.
对，365除以2派，
What?
就是那个 b 等于
Yeah.
2派除以365。
B equals 2 pi over 365. Yeah, they didn't mention is 365 is the period. The sunlight, okay, probably 1 year 1 year repeat. Okay, C is the maximum value, which is 355 minus
365。
4365. Okay, but for us, I told you this is a minus here. That's why for this question they use plus. The answer should be the other way. Like here. Let's see. Later, let's sketch it and have a look if it's correct. We need to sketch it. If you got graphical calculator, try to do it. Or if you can use decimals or any online graphical calculator. Okay, let's have a try. Because we got values here. Let's have a try if we can sketch the graph. Y equals A just 15.13 minus 9.18 divided by 2. That's A sine. B is 2 pi divided by 365 wholly. Bracket x minus 355 minus 365 divided by 4 and plus D. D is the sum.
12.155。
9.81 divided by 2. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. If we change it for x, we just check 0 to 365. 365 times 2. Let's try to make a 2 period. And for y, all positive, from 9 point something to 15 point something. Okay, we just make y like a 9 to 20 or 7 to 20 here. So this is the graph. This is the graph. Let's check the maximum. 355, 15.13. The minimum, 9.18. Okay, the curve look correct, Okay. Andrew, any question?
没有。
They ask you the number of hours on the 80 days.
等会儿了，那个括号里的不是 x 加 c 吗？你怎么写成 x 减 c？
Oh, because for us, okay, I'll sketch one more stuff here. Y equals the maximum is 15.13 plus 9.18 divided by 2. Here. This point, for trig, if we need this point, normally trig start from the equilibrium for sine, start from equilibrium. Now this curve start from here. Start from here. Start from here, change to start from here. So that means the whole curve move to the right by 263.75, right? Move to the right, right? Andrew?
对。
If you move to the right, we write x minus this. Okay. But if you hope you can find the positive number, because minus this means move to the right. You can also do move to the left, like here. This point. Not start from 0, move to the left. In this case, we can do x plus 101.25. Okay?
哦，
Because that means move to the left. So the answer we got two possible answers. For this question, you can write fx equals something sine 2 pi over 365 x plus 101.25.
然后都写成减，就把 c 求出来之后，每个都写成减 c 行吗？
Yes, if you need the other one equivalent 2 pi over 365, you can say x minus 263 point something plus something. Okay?
把 c 求出来之后就减 c 就行了。
Yes. If they say c must be positive, then you need to think about 101 here. If they told you x plus c is c positive, that means you move the curve to the left. X plus, you move the curve to the left. If x plus a number, we use 101. If x minus a number, we use 264. Okay?
嗯嗯，
It depends on which point you are using. Okay.
然后怎么通过一个 c 求出来另一个 c？
Just plus period. This
Oh.
period is 365, right? If you use 101.25 plus 365, negative 101. Negative 101.25 plus 365, you got 263.75. Okay? You understand the idea?
嗯。
Okay. So that's about modeling. That's about modeling.
然后就还是看 c 球还是正还是负呗。
Right. For example, because you can choose so many points, because this is the sine curve. It's a repeating. For example, like here, if this is negative 3, 9,
我傻了，我要因为那个因为 c 是个正的，所以说加成。
23. So for this sine graph, you can write sine x plus 3 or sine x minus 21. These two same.
我知道，我刚才没反应过来，我在加 c， 我 c 正负不管我管它正负，负的变成减 c 了，变成减 c 绝对值了就。
24. So both fine. They didn't say c must be positive. And if x equals 80, x equals 80. That will be here. 12.2. 12.2. Actually, any question? Okay. So that's like how we find the stuff. But the question, what's the answer? Fx equal. Andrew, what's your A?
2.975。
2.975. What's it? B just 2 pi over 365. They didn't say how many SF. X minus 75. What's D, Andrew? 12 point.
12.15。
12 point.
155。
Or we can say 2.795 sine 2 pi over 365. You plus 365 got x plus 101.25. plus 12.155. Okay? This is the answer for part 2. Okay, this is trig modeling. This one also in standard level. Okay, number 3. Sector and arc. So number 3, arc and sector are in readings. Okay. In readings, we learn something. The area of sector half theta r squared. Theta in readings. Area of triangle in the circle half r squared sine theta. This part shaded is called segment. Maybe sometimes called crown for sphere. Okay. Yeah, that's the formula. Try.
我上个厕所去。
Okay. is not hot. The shaded area, I told you, the radius just 10. So half tan square, just this formula, times theta minus half tan squared sine theta. You just take out 50, you got theta minus sine theta. This part okay. The shaded equals half of the unshaded area. Oh, the shaded area equals half of unshaded area. So it's like if here is 2, here just 1, which means the shaded area equals a third of total. Same as a third of the total. GDC calculator. 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 Have a look. Y equals x minus sine x. Y equals pi over 3. Oh, our scale is a bit weird. What? Okay. 1.969. Finished. Can any question? This knowledge also in standard level.
No, sir. We have already learned this.
Cool. Then. Oh. Number 4. Prove. Prove. Hurry up. We're doing formula. Prove. You probably need this formula. Sine 2 theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sine square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. That's all cos 2 theta. And secant theta. 1 over cos. Cosecant theta. 1 over sine. Okay, number 4. Hurry up. You can do it and take picture send to me. cot. Cot is 1 over 10, or you can say cot, C-O-T, cos theta over sine theta. Okay? Now let's try to use formula. Left hand side equals you have cos 2 alpha, so we need to change cos 4 alpha to something about 2 alpha. 2 cos square 2 alpha minus 1 minus 2 sine 2 alpha cos 2 alpha cos 2 alpha over sine 2 alpha. Some part got cancelled. -1. Part B. Secant equals 1 over cos. Oh, we have another formula. Secant squared equals 1 plus tan squared. Cosecant squared 1 plus cot squared. So this one, left hand side, tan squared 2a, 1 minus 2 sine squared 2a, cot squared 2a. Oh, simplify. Simplify. Okay, which is 2 sine squared 2a, sine squared 2a over cos squared 2a, 2 cos squared 2a over cot, cos squared 2a over sine squared 2a. So we got sine squared 2a cancelled. 2 cos squared 2a plus 2 sine squared 2a, which is 2 right hand side. That's number 4. Number 5.
导致把阿尔法都能求出来。
Oh, no calculator, huh? No calculator.
啊，手算也能啊。
Oh, you know this. Oh, alpha is easy, huh? Because 2 alpha, 120 degree, alpha 60, 2 alpha like 120, alpha just 60 degree, Okay. So cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. We got part of it, just half cos beta minus root 3 over 2 sine beta. Okay, we need a beta on. Cos 2 beta equals negative a quarter, which means 2 cos square minus 1 equals negative a quarter. Cos square equals 3 over 8. Cos equals negative root 3 over 8. Why negative? Because beta is between 90 and 135. So cos beta is negative. Okay? You can say it's cos beta. Cos beta equals negative root 3 over 2 root 2. Okay, that's cos beta. So we have half negative root 3 over 8 minus, sine, for obtuse angle beta, sine is positive. So you can say this is root 3, cos, root 3 over root 8. This is root 5, so sine is root 5 over root 8. So we got the answer, We got the answer. Negative root 3 minus root 15 over 2 root 8. Okay. This is question. Number 5. Number 4, we use double angle formula. We use like cosecant 10. That's about Pythagoras. Number 5. Number 6. Solve equation. No calculator. Try no calculator. Solve equation. How we got 10? Sine over cos give you 10 divided by c squared, c squared, c squared, c squared. So we have t squared minus 1 equals 0.5. 1 over c squared. It's secant square. T. Secant square equals t squared plus 1. So all times by 2. T squared plus 2t minus 3. T squared minus 1.5 times by 2 minus 3. Yeah. Plus 2t. Yes. So t plus 3, t minus 1, 10 x equals negative 3, 10 x equals 1. X is a acute angle, not this. X equals quarter pi. Let's solve equation. Use some formula. Andrew, okay? Livia, any question? That's your school exam for trig, but it's 7 years ago. 7 years ago, long time ago. Number 7 easy. Hurry up, do this easy question. Number 7 could be in standard level. Aurora like
老那个大于负180小于180和大于0小于2派有啥区别吗？
between 0 and 2 pi, that means 0 to 360. Just different part. For example, if you got sine, if 0 to 360, we need here. But if negative 180 to 180, we need here.
但是在那个圆的那个 unit circle 上画的话，都是一整圈儿。
Yes. So 1 plus c plus 2c squared minus 1 equals 0. 2c squared plus c equals 0. C bracket 2c plus 1 equals 0. C equals 0. C equals negative half. Cos equals 0. They are talking about cos. Cos equals 0. Like this. Cos equals 0 here and here. Cos equals negative half here. Here. If it's between 0 and 360 degree, you need a 240. 240. This school exam, too many questions. Okay. Number 8. Number 8, homework. Number 9. Oh. Now. Sine, cos. It's cos minus cos give you cos minus sin give you cos. So, but this is sin minus cos. Negative cos 8x. Which means so cos 8x equals 0. Sin 3x negative root 2. Okay, 8x equals 0. That means cos 8x equals 0.
16分之派和10
Pi over 2. 3 pi over 2. 5 pi over 2. 7 pi over 2. That's too much? Not too much. 9 pi over 2 too much. So here you got pi over 16, 3 pi over 16, 5 pi over 16, 7 pi over 16. Less than half pi. The other one, 3x equals. That's 1 over 2 is about 45 degrees. But negative will be here. Will be here. Like pi plus quarter pi. And this side is 2 pi minus quarter pi. This x equals 5 over 12 pi. The other one is bigger than half pi. The other one you got 7 over 12 pi. 7 pi over 12. That's too big. We need a less than half pi. So that's the answer. Andrew got the same?
老后面的解是怎么弄出来的？2分之3、2分之5、2分之7。
Oh, if cos equals 0, if cos equals 0, could be 90, 270. You just plus 180 degree, or you just keep plusing pi.
对了，是假派，但是 cos 不是2派减吗？
Really? For cos equals 0, you have this. Let's all make cos equals 0. It's a 180 plus 90, or 360 plus 90. Or odd number of 90 degree, cos will be 0. Odd number of 90 degree. Okay, it's like a cos what equals 0? That's the question. Could be 90 degree plus 180, 270 plus 180, 450 plus 180, 630, just like this. Okay. You can double check by calculator. 10 and 11 exact value. Simplify. how we simplify tan? Some idea here. Tan value, tan x if angle minus 180, the value no change. So you can really say this is just tan 90 minus alpha. This is cot negative alpha, like this. Sine, this one same as sine 50 degree. Sine 130, same as sine 50. Cos 320, same as cos 40 degree. Sine 220, same as negative sine 40. Sine 270, negative 1. Cos 360, 1. Oh, let's check if we can simplify something. Tan 90 minus alpha, same as cot alpha. So this part, negative 1. Tan 50. Oh, we need tan 50. Hey. Cos 40, same as sine 50. Sine 40 equals cos 50. So another tan 50. So the final answer, negative tan 50 squared. Not easy. Exact value. Cos inverse negative 1 will be pi. Sine inverse negative this. That will be negative pi over 4. Cot inverse root 3. Pi over 6. Tan inverse this. Pi over 6. Sine inverse this. Pi over 3. Negative 5 pi over 4. You can double check, use your calculator. You can double check, use calculator. The last one. Last one. Give you area. triangle. Yep, x half area. Two point 04417, 2.04. AB cosine rule. Okay.
AB 等于1.38。
Yeah. AB equals 1.39. cm. cm. Okay, too much. Just formula the last one, not very hard. Which one we missed? This one. Okay, number 8. Secant equals 1 over cos squared, 1 over sine squared. Okay. Now, c squared, 1 minus c squared. We just change sine squared to 1 minus cos squared. So I got this. Hey. Maybe we need to use double angle formula. Okay. Yeah, I think the original question, they hope you got something cos 4x squared. Cos 4x equals 0. Should be like this. Let's have a look. Redo it. C squared s squared, c squared minus s squared minus c squared. This is just negative cos 4x. This is a quarter squared This C just sine 2x. Okay, now 93. Cross multiply. So yes, this one. The answer, hope you got this one. That's how we work it out. Next part, just solve quadratic equation. All the questions here like homework. I hope you can redo all of them. Redo all of them. Like here. You're too much. Today covered too many stuff in trig. Too many. Redo the questions. A lot knowledge. Modeling, arc sector, trig, identities, formula, exact value, those stuff. Okay. Guys, try the question. Take care. See you guys.
我见。